In this video, let's explore one of the trigger available in Microsoft Copilot Studio while building a topic. Now, as you see over here in the screen, I have created one simple topic and here I plan to change the trigger. Now, the trigger type is a plan completes. So, what does that indicates and when should we use that? Now, when you enable knowledge source within your Copilot Studio, and if you enable, say, information search from the web, now if you have any prompt, like say, if you ask, what is football, or which company has maximum number of staff in United States. Now, what the LLM will do, it will start searching for information internally within the knowledge base. If it does not find, it will start looking in the web and it will formulate a response. Now, this entire thing is, we call it as a plan. So we have a plan to first look into the internal source, make use of tools, make use of external data source, external web, and then try to generate a response. So with all this action, we can safely say that a plan has completed and now the LLM is ready with the response, and LLM will provide you that response back. Now if you look into this specific diagram, this is Copilot Studio generative orchestration, whereby you will create a topic, and from here you will exactly specify what should be the response for a specific request. Now, if you ask for some specific query, a plan gets created in the background, which looks for knowledge, actions, topics, and then on basis of all this uh, logic execution, a response will be formulated. Either the LLM finds the response, or LLM might say, I didn't find any response on the specific query. Now, this stage, from plan execution to response generation, you have something called as a plan completed. So here we have an ability to intercept the request. So before the LLM sends out a request to the end user, we can actually interject this request and try to maybe change the response, or do some housekeeping activity, or maybe run some logic. So this is the point, like the plan completes. So I'm just talking about this trigger plan complete. So if you see, from a trigger perspective, if you change the trigger to a plan complete, you have an option to actually perform some business logic. Now, what are the things which you can do? So let's look into the content. Trigger plan complete. So a feature available for agents with generative orchestration enabled. So this is the feature only available if you have the generative orchestration enabled. Generative orchestration trigger that executes topics or actions after an AI plan is finished running. So when an AI plan is completed, then you will be able to intercept this request and then perform some operations. Now, you have an ability to intercept the request and inject custom logic. It basically allows you to set up automated process to run after the agent has completed executing a plan. So maybe once an agent has completed executing a plan, you can run some process, run some flow. You can call, say, maybe a prompt. What are the different activities that can be done? Now it depends on the use case for which you're creating a agent for. So in one of the agent, you can do setting of a variable, cleaning up the variable, clean up activities. You can start logging request. You can start generating specific response based on the plan output. You can also run some background processes, and you can auto formatted responses. Now setting variables means, let's assume that you are tracking the count of uh, the prompt which the user has typed in, and you want to increment in every request, or maybe you want to log the request, like what user has requested and what the response was and how was the response rate, and did user provided any specific response in terms of the output which has been received by the LLM. Now, logging request, cleanup activities. Now cleanup activities involves setting up a specific variable, or if you have used some variables and if you want to just reset the value, you can do that. You can even call some power automate flow, or you can execute a prompt, or maybe you can call some third party services using the topic sequence. Now you can generate specific response based on plan output. So let's assume plan has given you some specific output. Now you have an ability to format the response or completely change the output which has been provided by the LLM. Or maybe you can pass on to another LLM to format it. So you can do multiple things within the trigger plan completes action. Now, as you see within the diagrams which I showed it to you, now this is the part. So once the plan has been executed and before, so I'd say when the plan has been executed and before the response is generated, you have an ability to intercept that a plan completes action trigger, sorry. So let's jump into the Copilot Studio and let me show you how you can do that. So if I go into the topic, I can go ahead and create a topic from blank, and I'll call it as plan complete intercept. Now this is the normal trigger. What we can do here, if I click on this two arrow, I'll change the trigger, and from here I'll select a plan is completed. Now let me do one thing. Let me ask Copilot something. Okay, so let me not create anything. I'll just create the simple uh, prompt. I'll say send a message, and I'll just call it as hello. Okay, so I haven't changed the trigger. I'm just testing it for the first time. So this is my test window. So here I will ask some questions. So what is, let me call something, let me say what is paddle sport. So now the agent will start generating the plan as you see over here, and then it will start searching for knowledge source, and then if it does not find that, it will look into the web, and then it will finally give you the response. Now as you see, you asked something and you got the response. Now if you want to intercept this request and also maybe change the format or maybe specify something, you can put that logic within the topic. Now how to do that, let's go into the topic again. Let's go into the topic which we created, plan complete intercept. Now here change the trigger and say when a plan is completed. Now here I'll say the plan is completed, you can write your business logic, set variables, perform cleanup, and here you can go ahead and do various actions. You can just ask with that, you can either start the conversation again, ask a question, ask with the adaptive card, or maybe set some variable value, or maybe call a specific tool, or maybe in advance you can even send out some event or activity or HTTP request, or maybe you can even generate an answer. Now here, just for example purpose, I've just put a simple message box, but then the possibility is that you can do whole bunch of actions within here. And make sure that you use this trigger only for one of the topic, because if you have multiple topics with the same trigger, then they will compete for each other, and then the priority value will take hold of that. So if I go into the properties, then you need to set up the priority, and then you can specify whether to run once or maybe run it every time when this particular action happens. Now a plan completes. Now if I click on save, I will again ask the same question. What is paddle sport? Now again it will go ahead and generate the plan. It has generated the plan. And now here you will see that it has given me the plan is completed. You can write your business logic, set variable, or perform cleanup. So that means once the plan is generated, then you have an ability to even uh, perform some logic. Now this logic I have just put it on the window, but then this can be a background process. It can be setting up a variable, it can be updating the database table, or it can be storing some content within your SharePoint, or maybe it can be a process based activity, or maybe it can be performing some cleanup activity for your process. But that's the logic basically. So here when uh, a plan is completed, you get an ability to intercept the request. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.